yellow. I'm in my Gudetama wrap and my little yellow sun hat. Today this video is going to be about my car and what I bought my car. I bought so many presents for my car and you might want them too. I'm going to put the links down for everything below because they are so cool. So let's roll the tape. Okay, first is my feather duster. It comes with a case and it is a beautiful gray microfiber that doesn't shed. It bends. It's perfect like that. It's got a rubber handle and the fabric comes off so you can clean it. And you can clean the dashboard, the console, the windows. Woo! I love it. And it came with the gray microfiber cloth. Next we have a diamond bezel that goes on the engine key around the rim, and it has a double-sided tape you stick on there, and then you stick this onto your on-off start button. Very cute. It came with 5 of them, so I have to see which ones fit. Then we have garbage. This will hang over the passenger seat. In the back of it, it has this faux leather opening to contain the garbage and to make it easy access. It has a zipper when you want to empty it, and it is waterproof, which is amazing. It has a mesh net on both sides and a pocket in the front. It's great. You could store things, you could put tissues, you could put maps, I don't know, whatever. And then it has anchor here, and it's got this toggle. It looks like a pretty interesting one. I really did a lot of research, and then I found this. I thought this was the nicest looking one, and it had so many options to it. Next is my favorite, my absolute favorite. It's by Carfond, and it's a license plate cover. Look at it. Ooh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I got the pink bow. They had a red, black. They had this in black, this with red, this with this white with black, every combination. I just thought that was cute and subtle. And then it has the rhinestone caps for the screws. Also, it has extra rhinestones in case they fall off, and then it has tire cover caps. They have the screw, and here there's a crown like juicy with rhinestones and a big fat rhinestone there. Every tire has an air cap and that you screw on, and that's where you would put air in the tire. And so you probably have a little black cap on it. You could take that off and put this. Too cute, right? Then we have this trunk organizer. It has a pocket here. It has 4 mesh pockets on the outside, on that side. 4 mesh pockets on this side, and then it has this elastic one. This is great. I mean, if you've got kids and you've got like sports equipment in the trunk and you don't want it falling around, it has a toggle here that you just put it in here, or if you've got books for school and just cleansers for the car. And now what I liked about this, that it is sturdy and it has an anchor on each side so it doesn't roll around in the car. It has a Velcro cover that is nice and hard, and you can keep it attached or you can remove it. It comes off on both sides. There's the cover. And this is a compartment divider. You don't need to use it. And then in here, this is this bottom that is very sturdy. If you want to collapse this, you just take that off. And then you can close it, I believe. Oh yeah, so then you can close it with these buckles. And you can keep one open or two open. And then these, I like that they're attached. You won't lose them. You just put that down, and you can use the divider if you'd like. Just love it. I like to be organized. I try. I'm not always, but I try. I'm always trying. Okay, garbage, bezels, microfiber cloth, duster. I like that this has a cover. I will probably keep this under the seat or right here in the trunk, in the compartment. And you could just shake it out the window. You could dust and then shake it out the window. It has, oh, I'll put this in here, my license cover. I bought this also. I will put links down for everything. This is a car document holder for registration and insurance. It's a slim wallet. And I like that it had the logo so you could see it instead of it being plain black. When you're reaching inside your glove compartment, you could find it easier. And it's got two plastic windows inserts for your registration and your insurance. Perfect. Then when you're done with everything, I do have some more things to show you. I have a steering wheel cover coming. And I also have a catch-all bag in the car. Now look at that with the cover. Isn't that cute? You can keep it nice and covered. Now some of these came with thermoses, like coolers, but it just took up too much room. I'd rather just have a cooler separate. I'd like a cooler like that big, but it's got to be waterproof. This is my phone charging. When it's fully charged, this thing will turn blue. And this is a cigarette lighter charger with a nice coiled wire, so it doesn't get all over the car, the wire. So you just put it in and there. And then it turns blue when it's all charged. Cool. The following are crystal bezels. One is for the steering wheel on the logo, and the others are for the AC and the fan, and they came with a pack of 5. The next item is a catch-all bag that I hang from the side of the gear shift, and I throw my glasses in there and power bars and anything that I don't want on the seat. Okay, two other cute things are, there's this little cup. It has, let's open it up. Okay, this comes with a little hook and something else. I know it comes with something that I could stick it on there with. So perfect for my phone. I think it's supposed to hang from a hook. So we'll see. It's so cute. Okay, the other thing I bought from the same vendor on eBay, I believe. I think it is eBay or Amazon. And it is this. This steering wheel cover. Now I'm going to unwrap it and show it to you. Okay, so it comes with little glue and some extra rhinestones. And then this is it. There's a jewel crown and 5 rows of crystals around the steering wheel. And I'll put it on and come right back and show you. Okay, let's see. Ooh, we're halfway there. It's on the top. It feels wonderful. It feels nice and thick. And I just have to figure out how to get this into the wheel. I need a strong person to help me stretch it. But isn't that pretty? This is a Volkswagen Comfort Coupe. It's a CC 2.0. And it used to be a Passat CC, and this is the latest version. And this is a 2015, FYI. If you're looking for a great deal, I would go a few years back with low mileage. And they came out with this because they wanted to give people something like the BMW or Mercedes, the $60,000 cars, and these are $32,000 cars, new, but a couple of years old, you get it for half the price. So I thought it was a great deal, and I like that it's a comfy coupe. So, wow, I can't believe that it fit. Okay, I'm gonna back up and I'm gonna take a better shot of this. There's the steering cover. I love it. It's got a crown, it's got jewels all around, and then I have the Volkswagen logo bezel on, and I don't think it's over the top. For watching. I appreciate you all so much. I hope you have a happy holiday and a happy new year, and I'll see you in January. Love you all. Hey everyone, I'm in my car. Yay. So I'm going to put links down below for everything in case you feel like your car deserves a present too.